Greetings, friends. Putting this video together just to kind of help us all be able to access the reports on the AIR site so that you can look up individual students. The report you'll get is quite in-depth, and hopefully you'll find it very helpful. So once you log into your account, you are going to want to click on Online Reporting System right here. All right. Once you click on Online Reporting System, then we will now want to click on Score Reports. This bottom one here, we will click on that one. And then once we get to this page, and let me zoom in a little bit here. On this portion right here, we want to change this drop down to whatever testing session that you want to report on. It'll go back as far as 2016. For the sake of this one, I think we're going to click on spring of 2018. And once you do that, then you're going to pull up a page that looks something like this. Okay, and as you can see, right here it says spring of 2018. And you are able to click on any of these boxes in any of the test areas. So for this video, we're going to click on geometry, and I'm just going to click on the 207 right here. And it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. We want to click on Carrollton High School right here. And it's going to pull up this window that you see. The only thing you want to click down is Who. And we want to click on Student. You want to click on Student and then tap View. Once you tap View, then we're going to have a page that looks like this. All right, and we have lots of students' names. There's going to be 2 or 3 pages of it. So now we can select any student's name that we want. Like I say, there's multiple pages on here. For the sake of this little demo, I clicked on Dakota Kirkpatrick, former student here. Again, this pop-up window will come up. There's nothing we need to change here. Just simply click View to the previous slide. It's not on this page, you can't see it, but at the very top of this page, you'll see where there's a drop-down menu that you can click on and kind of sort by grade if you want to. That sometimes maybe that might help you a little bit if you want. But if you have any questions, and then you're going to get a page that will look like this. Now this is just a snapshot. You will be able to scroll way down. It'll give you the breakdown by test item. They'll tell you what they scored. If they got 0 out of 1, if they got 1 point out of 2 points. It's a really nice breakdown. If you want to print this, all you do up here in the upper right hand corner is click print, and it'll pull up a PDF for you to print off. And then when you want to go to another student, you just click back a couple times and find your next kid, or go to a different test. You could go to a different testing session as well. There's still some bugs I'm working on trying to find if there's better ways. But this is the quickest way for us to print off reports as of right now. And also, going back at all whatsoever, send me an email or call, whatever, and I'm more than happy to help you out. So hopefully this video helped you out to be able to access the reports for our kids. Have a great day. God bless.